right, you guys, so I turned the camera around so you guys are able to see the mannequin facing forward. So again, because we were doing the eyelash application, the mannequin was obviously facing me. And so what I'm going to be doing right after they say you may begin is I am going to actually turn the mannequin around, okay? Just like this. I'm turning her around and I'm gonna tilt her head just a little bit. Remember to use your mannequin stand accordingly, okay? Then I am going to very quickly remove this off of her, okay? This is now trash, okay? That is why this is so simple in applying the tape. I'm disinfecting the hands yet again, and now I am going to go into my kit to grab my facial service bag. And this is what my facial service bag looks like. You guys are familiar with it already. All right, and before we begin, like always, I am reaching in to grab a paper towel. I'm going to disinfect my station. Good. This is now trash. Disinfect my hands again. Yes, your hands are going to be dry after this whole thing, but that's okay. Now my paper towel, I'm laying it out in front of me, and I'm going to start getting everything out just so that I can see it. Okay, I have my cotton. I have all of the products that I am going to be needing, and put everything, you know, lay it out in front of you just so that you can see it nicely. And we have our 2 towels, a clip, and this bag, you guys, just set it right to the side, okay? And so what we're going to be doing is draping our mannequin first. So we're gonna do towel, cape, towel. And remember that cape that was on our station when we first set it up? Yeah, we're going to be using that one, okay? Now, please mind me, like this mannequin that I'm currently using, her hair is so long. Obviously, you will not be taking a mannequin which their hair is this long with you the day of the test. This is just the one that I'm working with here in my home studio. Okay, now we put our cape on. And by the way, you can use those T-pins, the ones that go into the mannequin's neck. Just be discreet about it. They don't mind if you use them, they just don't want to see them. Okay. Then of course, towel, cape, towel. Again, this is for the facial. We're doing the facial. Again, this is for the Texas Cosmetology Practical Exam. And then with the clip, I am clipping her towel behind. So just like that, towel, cape, towel, okay? All right, so we have her nice and draped. And you sanitize your hands after each section. So we are now going to put her hair in here. And of course, you can also do your headband. Keep all the hair away from your client's face. These are always hard to put on mannequins. All right, so we have towel, cape, towel, we have our headband, and of course we have our disposable cap on our mannequin. All right, you guys, now that we have our mannequin nice and ready, we are going to start off by removing the eye makeup remover and the lipstick. So what we're going to do is we are going to go into our cotton jar, and I want you guys to get about 3 cotton rounds out. Okay, we're gonna grab our makeup remover again, make sure that everything is nice and labeled, and we're going to start by doing the eyes first. So go down and across, 1, 2, 3, across again, 1, 2, 3, and across. This can now be trash. Sanitize your hands. Grab another one. Okay. Do the other eye. 1, 2, 3 across. 1, 2, 3 across. That is now trash. Okay. Always sanitize your hands when you go in that trash, you guys. Now we are ready for the lips. So again, applying a little bit of makeup remover. And for the lips, you want to go inward. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, wipe. Okay, now this is trash. Awesome. Sanitize your hands. We are now going to apply the cleansing cream. So what we're going to do is go into our Ziploc bag and reach for a spatula. Okay. Grab your cleansing cream. I'm not going to use very much. Again, this is just for the purpose of the video. I'm going to apply some product to the back of my hands. I'm going to close my jar. You want to make sure that you keep your station nice and clean. Now this spatula is now trash. Okay, here we go. We have our product. Now this is how I do it, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab the rest of the product. Hands down and start to spread. Okay. We are cleansing the face. Okay. Start at the chin, cheeks, temples, around the eyes. Okay. Just like this. Again, they give you 17 minutes for this part of the test. Once you feel like you have your product nicely spread, you can come to a stopping point at the temples. Boom, just like that. We are going to disinfect our hands again. Okay. All right. We are then going to go back into our cotton jar and grab 2 cotton rounds. Okay. Close your container. You're going to then remove the cleansing cream, and again, we're pretending as if these were sponges. So hands down, we are working our way up. We are removing our cleansing cream off of our mannequin. You cannot forget this step, you guys. You have to remove the cleansing cream off your mannequin's face, okay? Once you have done that, now these are now trash. Okay, sanitize your hands. And now we are ready for our massage cream. So again, we're going into our spatula bag, closing it, grabbing our massage cream. Again, I'm not gonna grab a whole lot, just to show you guys. Dispensing it into my hand. Again, this is now trash. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Grab all the product. Hands down. Start to spread. Right now we're just spreading it, okay? Once you have the product nicely spread, you will then continue with your massage manipulations. Again, you have to do 3 massages: Effleurage, Petrissage, and tapotement, okay? Those are the 3 that they're looking for. All right, once we have the product nicely spread, we are going to start with our first one, which is Effleurage. Effleurage. Okay. And just move around the face. You can do it, I always say, at least 3 times around the face. You guys, again, they give you 17 minutes for this part. Okay. Effleurage. This mannequin's hair is so long, it's in the way. All right, Effleurage. Our next one will be Petrissage. You're using your thumb and your index finger. It's kind of like a pinching type of movement. Petrissage. And then the last one is called tappement. Tappment, it is tapping, okay? Tappment. Remember that there's paper towels on your station the entire time. So at any point, if you feel like you have way too much product on your hands, or you're needing to go in there and grab paper towels so that you can clean your hands, you are okay to do that. So again, you guys, don't think too hard, all right? Just keep sanitation in mind at all times when you're opening and closing jars and doing all of that, okay? We're coming to a stop. And then I'm going back into my jar. Notice how I always sanitize my hands first. I'm grabbing 2 cotton rounds, closing this. Keep all jars closed, hands down. We are now removing the massage product from our mannequin, okay? Again, I always say, pretend these are sponges. You can even fold them, look. When you fold, you can do this. Boom, right there. This is now trash. Sanitize your hands, okay? Then we are going to apply our astringent or toner, okay? And you can use a spray, just like this. Now, a toner can be sprayed on, or you can also spray it on a cotton round and then pat it on. I usually say, I'll just show you guys both ways. So if you're going to spray it, again, don't apply it too close to your mannequin's face, just about at a distance, and you can do 2 sprays. That's one option. Your other option will be to get a cotton round out, then close your jar. So you can decide which way you want to apply your toner. Okay, spray your cotton round. Once you spray it, you can then apply it to your mannequin's face, okay? So you can spray it on, or you can use a cotton round to kind of like pat it throughout the face, okay? Just like that. So it's up to you, whichever way you're comfortable. Trash, sanitize. And lastly, we have our moisturizer. So we are going into our bag, grabbing a spatula. So yeah, you need several spatulas in this bag, okay? Here's our moisturizer. You guys, a small pea size, smaller than that. Like, you do not need a whole lot of product, okay? Just like that, back of my hands. This is now trash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab the rest of the product. And now we're just spreading it, okay? Again, they may stand next to you and watch you. Just keep going, just ignore, okay? Focus on what you are doing. You guys, these steps, you have to, in a way, memorize them. But if you lay everything in front of you in the order that you will be using them, it makes everything easy. Remember, they will not read you the steps the day of the test. So you must have these down, okay? you have to make sure that you study and that you also practice at home. So just build your own kit slowly and practice as much as you can. And if you need to time yourself, like time yourself, it's okay. Okay, we're coming to a stop right there. And now we are going to start our cleanup process. So what we're going to do is we're going to start putting everything inside of our original bag. So we have our makeup remover, okay, our toner, our moisturizer, our massage cream, our cleansing cream, our cotton rounds. We have some spatulas that were left, okay. Let's set that to the side. I am now going to remove my draping, okay. This will now be trash. Take the headband off, okay. And you can remove the first towel. Leave the cape on there. Just take off that first towel, okay. This towel can then go into your trash bag, okay. Sanitize your hands. Now we are going to clean our station. Trash, sanitize. We are now putting our original bag back into the back of the kit, to the very back of the box. Always close your kit, come back, sanitize your hands, and raise your hand that you are all done. Candidates, please stop working. All scoring has been completed for this section. Thank you. All right, you guys, so that is it for this part of the test. I hope you guys are liking these videos. If you are, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.